Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATV. Thank you so much for checking in. So today I'm here with this Polaris RZR Pro XP 4, and I want to talk to you about this Tusk folding glass windshield. So Tusk actually makes two glass windshields for this model and the two-seat. You have the full glass windshield and you have the folding. And if you are just looking for the ultimate when it comes to a premium full glass windshield that's going to give you the most versatility, this is the windshield that you want. And the big so what feature about this one is, just like the name says, it's a folding windshield. So in those times when maybe you just don't want your windshield up because it's a hot sunny day and you want as much airflow coming in the cab as you can get, well, all you have to do is simply loosen the two knobs up here on the top. Then the windshield folds down onto these brackets that mount right here to the hood. It sits flat, completely out of your field of view. You can still drive aggressive even when it's in the folded position, and you get all that airflow coming into the cab. And that's really the big so what feature. But on top of that, you're getting all the other benefits of a glass windshield. This is the same type of glass that you have on your car, your truck windshield. So it's safety laminated auto glass, which means the clarity and the durability, you're not going to beat it. What's nice too is that this glass does have a slight tint to it. So it's just going to give a little bit of relief for your eyes on those sunny days, but it's not so much tint that's going to make it hard to see out when you're riding at nighttime. Now the frame of this windshield is made from powder coated aluminum. One of the great features about this windshield as well is the mounting. Super easy to mount. You've got two clamps down here at the bottom on the roll cage. Then it mounts to a factory location up here on top. And then the brackets on the hood here, these use factory locations as well. So you have to do zero modification to get this windshield mounted up. Another awesome feature down here at the bottom, if you don't want to have the windshield completely folded down, but you do want to have a lot of airflow coming in the cab, well, you have this massive vent. And this you can control from the driver's side. It's just a little twist knob to open and close it. But what's great is that you can have it just barely cracked if you just want a little airflow, or you can have that thing wide open, and you would be very surprised at how much airflow you get coming in by having this thing completely open. It's actually pretty surprising. Another thing that personally I noticed that I really like about this windshield for the Pro XP is your field of view is massive. When you get inside here and you're driving this thing, you can see that the window, the glass, basically goes to the roll cage on both sides. So you hardly realize that you even have a windshield installed when you're driving, which is something that I really, really liked about it. There's a wiper blade that will also come included. So to keep your vision clear if you get caught in some wet conditions, that will be there. A couple other things to note with fitment. So it will work with the Tusk Force aluminum roof. Now, a quick note is that if you do have the Tusk Adventure roof rack, which you can see we have installed here, that it will only work with the straight light bar, but not the curved light bar. So just something to keep in mind there. But overall, like I said, if you're shopping for a glass windshield, this really is the benchmark. It has all the features that you would be looking for, but the big so what is that if you don't want it up, you can just simply fold it down onto the hood, completely out of the way. But like I said, there is just the full glass windshield that Tusk also offers, which has the big vent down on the bottom, just doesn't fold down, but it is going to save you some money. So you've got a few different options to choose from. If you have questions or comments about this, we'd love to get those answers, so make sure leave those down below. Last thing I will mention too is that, always mirrors are another accessory that we love to have, that everybody should have on their side-by-side. So with this setup, you can see we actually have the pivoting folding mirrors from Tusk that mount right down here at the bottom of the A-pillar, and those are completely out of the way, so you don't have to worry about any fitment on the roll cage, and it's just a really good looking setup as well. So we ship for free over $75. To grab yours, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember, they're model specific, so just enter the year, make, and model on the product page. And if you want to see everything that will fit your side-by-side, best way to do that is on our homepage. Enter the year, make, and model of the side-by-side that you have. You'll see this windshield, the full glass windshield, and all the other accessories that we offer from Tusk and other brands that will fit your machine. Get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. That way you're always up to date on products like this. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.